On today's episode of Tyreezy's Automotive, I'm here going to teach you guys how to fix a squealy AC compressor on a 2012 Scion TC. So what happened was when I was replacing my alternator here, I actually had to take out the low pressure line from the bottom that's connected to the AC compressor. But what happened was the fact that I didn't have to take it out from here. I took it out, the line out from here. I actually took it out from the radiator. Now the thing is that all the gases kind of leaked out, and those gases was what was helping the AC compressor actually fluctuate and everything. So it's making some squealing sounds. I'm going to teach you guys at the end of the day how to fix it. So what I did, or at least what I'm going to do, I bought myself some PEG 46 oil, and I am going to add some oil. Okay. I'll take my turkey baster here, bought it from Metro. Oh, right. It's clear. What I'm going to do, put it in here, and I'm going to squeeze. Squeeze. I don't know if you can see it, but squeeze some oil in there so it can lubricate the piston. So I didn't use much. Just wanted to kind of get in there, right? As long as it gets in there, that's all that matters. So now, put the rest in here. And hope for the best. This will solve my squeaky issue. The more you know.